Hey guys, time for another bird video. It's a warm, humid day here at the farm. They got some treats in their beaks. They got some nuts and they're working on those, and partly in the shell, so they get some stimulation from that. They got to earn them a bit. Oh, what's that moaning going on? There's the pup. There's a wild area. We got to cut the grass in there. Look at this down there. Yeah, very humid. Last night there was some rain and some thunder, but it's just going to keep coming now. It's just, the forecast shows thunderstorms every day maybe. It doesn't always happen, right? They're isolated, so sometimes they zig instead of zag, right? They go around you or something. But the birds are loving it up here. We bring them in if there's a thunderstorm approaching. A light rain is okay, like they're not scared of rain. But that loud banging and flashing is, maybe that's a little scary, but they don't seem too damaged by it. The pup doesn't like thunder. Well, the pup is really scared. When there's booming going on, she's trying to hide somewhere in the house. She doesn't want to be anywhere near that. Let's go in and check them out. They've been doing some farming here too. They've been picking. Kula could chop some of the grass by hand, but they've been doing some picking at it too. Cherry's enjoying a nut over there also. Spice, there's Pie. Pie, you got anything to say, Pie? Well, that's Spice. No, that's Spice. That's Little Spicy. He thought I had another nut for him. The bathtubs are out. They're very humid today. It's very sticky. It's about 23, I think it is, yes, 23 Celsius. It's about 74 Fahrenheit or something like that, and maybe 75, I don't know. But humidity is high, you know, it's near 60% humidity. I can tell because I start sweating. I don't have to do much. My hair starts sticking up and everything. Time for another haircut, right? Hasn't been that long that I did it, but I think I'm going to do it because I get out of bed and I look like Billy Idol, you know. It's straight in the air like that. And when it's humid like this, I get all sweaty, so I think I'm going to cut it pretty soon. There's some nut action. There's some mosquitoes on me too. I don't want to get swollen hands again. Yeah, the mosquitoes, they're flourishing. They're not terrible. You can still manage them. I can come out here with no jacket. With no jacket on, and if I stay here too long though, I'll get it good. Oh, he's really enjoying that. Yeah. Pup's enjoying some grass out there. There's Peach. He's doing pretty good though. The feathers are growing in. Pretty soon he'll have a nice cap on. What was that, Jerry? What's your deal? Yeah. Little Maple. Looking for more nuts. Peach is having a little sip of water. Yeah, I've been going back and forth from the city to here, from here to the city, and just about had enough of that. Pretty well done all the work I wanted to do in the city home, you imagine? Yeah, I've been going back and forth, and that mosquito. It's been so tiring, so exhausting. Then I come up here, and where do I start, I'm thinking? I'd rather just film and hang out with the birds. I just want to relax. Oh, there's some arguing going on there over a nut. Oh, mosquito biting me. Wait. Get him out of there. What's going on? Oh, it's because the pup is there. She's saying, get lost. Who knows what she's really saying? I can't translate crow language. All kinds of things buzzing around in here. They want a piece of me. Actually, Kulika had a couple chunks taken out of her, she said. So they're looking to eat. So yeah, I'm exhausted, really tired, and come up here and now I don't even know where to start. There's all kinds of things to do, like all kinds of chores. Got to cut the lawn again. The brush cutter, I got to get going and do some of that brush beside the garage where the propane tank is, and I mean, there's probably 100 other things. Look, greedy little bugger has a nut in his beak. There's enough for all of them. Yeah, they like that. Cherry. Cherry! Say hello, Cherry. Cherry. He's thinking about it. Cherry. He's listening to something. Yeah, the gang's all here. They're staying up here now for a while. We're not going to take them back to the city home for a long time. Cherry said, I want to stay here. But, you know, we have to go sometimes, so until we get rid of it, you know, going to try to make a go of it up here, because it's hard to pay for two places, you know. Any of you could probably imagine that. And then the upkeep. You come here and do tons of chores. Then you go back to the city. More chores there that you just did at the farm. And it's too hard. Yeah, the dew is kind of moist from all the humidity, but the temperature's lovely. I got to keep swatting flies because they want to snack on me too, my flesh. You know, I wouldn't want to go walking in the bush, I'll tell you that. Spice. That's a little table there for his nut. Using that as a table. Peach! Peach! One of these days, Peach will have a nice black cap on. Yeah, lots of nut action. Nutty action. So guys, I'll let you go. Just want to do another video, show you the birds, and they're enjoying some nuts in this hot, humid weather, and thunderstorms projected every day for several days now. It's really crazy this year. Last year I don't remember so humid in like into May and then June now, like early June. Usually it's not till July, you know, so I guess every year can be different, and usually, like I said, the hot humid conditions start in about July, and this year they started in the middle of May already, so what can you do, right? At least the forest fires are maybe under control a little bit now, with things are greening up, and there's been a lot of heavy rain, but sometimes lightning starts a fire, so you know, but it is better than it was when it was so dry. So we'll see you in the next one. Give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you're new here too. See you.